The Boltzmann Brain Hypothesis is a controversial and thought-provoking concept in theoretical physics and cosmology, named after the Austrian physicist Ludwig Boltzmann. It suggests a perplexing idea that it is more likely for a spontaneously generated conscious brain, or even just a fleeting conscious experience, to exist in the vast universe than for our observed universe to exist as we perceive it. This notion challenges our understanding of the universe's origin and evolution. The hypothesis is rooted in the concept of entropy, particularly in the context of the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy, or disorder, tends to increase over time in a closed system. In an infinite and fluctuating universe, the Boltzmann brain hypothesis posits that rare but highly disordered, random fluctuations could lead to the temporary creation of conscious entities, such as fully formed human brains, within the cosmic void. The paradox arises when comparing the probabilities of two scenarios. 1. The observed universe, with its complex structures, galaxies, stars, and planets, including Earth and the evolution of intelligent life. 2. The spontaneous emergence of a much simpler and isolated conscious entity or brain, without the need for a fully developed universe. The hypothesis suggests that due to the immense timescales involved and the sheer randomness of quantum fluctuations, it is statistically more probable for isolated conscious entities to sporadically emerge than for the universe to develop as we observe it. However, it's essential to note that the Boltzmann brain hypothesis is highly speculative and faces several significant challenges and criticisms. Critics argue that the hypothesis relies on questionable assumptions and doesn't take into account the consistency of observed physical laws and cosmological principles. The Boltzmann brain hypothesis serves as a thought experiment rather than a well-accepted theory, prompting scientists and philosophers to explore the nature of the universe, the second law of thermodynamics, and the existence of conscious entities in a profoundly speculative manner. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.